This video is made only for educational purposes. No stock ETF should be bought without advice from your investment advisor. Savita Oil Technologies Limited. Founded in 1961, Savita Oil Technologies has 3 manufacturing facilities. One is located in Turbhe Navi, Mumbai, Maharashtra, and the other 2 in Silvassa, Union Territory of Dadra and Nagar Haveli. The company has so far set up a number of wine mills ranging in capacities from 350 kilowatts to 1650 kilowatts at different sites in the states of Maharashtra, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. The company's products include transformer oil, white oil, lubricating oil, engine oil and renewable energy. The company's shares are quoting at 1179 rupees. The current market price discounts the EPS of 223 by a low PE multiple of 5 times. Its share price is quoting at a modest 1.30 times of book value. The company is a zero debt company. It has a high ROE of 31.80%. Promoters holding in the company is high at 71.81%. During the last 2 years, the company has declared good dividend of 20 rupees and 15 respectively. Market price 1179 rupees. Target price 2000 rupees in 1 year. Century Inco Limited. Century Inco Limited is a company engaged in the manufacturing of synthetic ant. The company is a joint venture of BK Birla Group of According Group of Netherlands. The company had 3 plants: Century Inco Pune, Konkan Synthetic Fibers, Mahad Maharashtra and Rajeshri Polyfill in Bharuch, Gujarat. It produces nylon and polyester filament ants, polyester filament and jumbo beam specialty ants, industrial fiber grade chips, industrial ants and type pot fabrics. The company was incorporated in the year 1965. The company's shares are quoting at 540 rupees. The current market price discounts the EPS of 75 rupees by a low PE multiple of 6 times. Its share price is quoting at just 0.86 times of book value. The company has a negligible debt of 8 crore on its books. It has a median ROE of 8.72%. Promoters holding in the company is low at 24.80%. FII have increased their holdings from 3.23% to 4.65% in September 2021 quarter. For the last several years, the company has been consistently paying a good dividend of 7 rupees to 8 rupees per share. Market price 540 rupees. Target price 750 rupees in 1 year.
Please subscribe our channel, give a like, leave a comment, share